How to turn off notifications count badge on Twitter. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn off notifications count badge on Twitter. First go to Twitter and then go here and now click this one, settings and privacy, and then click notifications, and now click this one, preferences, click on it, and then as you see all you need to do just turn this one off. Just click on it to turn it off, and as you see unread notification account but has been turned off, and if you want to turn it on just click on it again. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.